Hello everybody, Zoran's here. My next course at Academy 387 is titled Object-Oriented Development Using Java. As you certainly know, object-oriented programming has been the most important programming technique over the last 20 years. This type of programming is supported by almost all programming languages, with Java being the most popular among them. To this course, we will introduce all important OOP concepts, including classes, interfaces, objects, class inheritance, polymorphism, methods, exceptions, and so on. All these concepts will be illustrated by numerous coding examples and problems. We will also introduce many object-oriented programming-related techniques, such as UML, that is the Unified Modeling Language, component development, the role of object-oriented programming in agile development, specifics of NetBeans and Eclipse integrated development environments, and so on. We will like you to be a more knowledgeable and confident Java developer, or generally object-oriented programming developer, at the end of this course. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon in the Academy 387 classes.